Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a close-up of Godzilla 1954, Legendary Godzilla, and Shin Godzilla. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our three faces of Godzilla, let's begin with the original 1954 Godzilla down here. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that's just going to come down, and then I'm going to bring it back here for the eyebrow. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then up for the eye. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then down here. And then I'm going to connect it right here. Inside of here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. And then another smaller one, and then I'll color in this middle part right here for the pupil. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and up, and then down and up right here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and then back here. I'm going to come down. I'm going to bring this up and down, and then up and down, and we'll kind of bring this down and back, and then down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then down here. And then I'm going to bring this line up and then down. Kind of start where the nose is going to be. I'll curve this line around. And then we'll just kind of add an extra curve right here. I'm going to bring this line out and then back here. I'm going to bring this line up and then kind of curve it in. I'm going to bring this line up and then down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and we're just going to bring it all the way out here, not quite as far out as we did this top part of the mouth. And bring this down and in. And then I'm going to bring this down and then up, and then curve it around for the jaw. Next, I'm going to add a couple little curves right here towards the bottom, just kind of finish off the neck. I'm going to bring a little curved line back here for the back of the mouth. And we'll add a couple little lines in here. Next, I'm going to add some sharp teeth in here. We're going to bring these all the way to the back, and then I'm going to add some sharp teeth right across the bottom. Then right here, I'm going to make the ear. So I'm going to bring a line that's going to come back, and then we're going to curve it around. Put a small curve, and we'll bring this around and then down. Next, I'm going to bring a little line over to here. And then I'm going to make some little curved lines. They're just going to kind of come up here. And then some more, they're just going to curve around up here. Next, I'm going to bring some broken lines back here. And then some lines up here. Then I'm going to make some more of these just kind of broken lines. It's just to add a bunch of texture into our 1954 Godzilla. And then even some lines up here. And we'll do a couple more back here too. And some down the neck. So now that we got the original 1954 Godzilla, let's come up here and let's draw the legendary Godzilla. So I'm going to start right up here and a little bit higher up, a little bit more at an angle. And I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down. And then it's going to come all the way back here and then down at an angle. I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down. I'm going to curve this up and back. And then I'm going to make a circle shape right inside of here. I'm going to make another circle, and then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Now I'm going to make a couple little lines underneath here. Now I'm going to make some long lines that just kind of come down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to come up here and down. Then I'm going to bring this line back and then down like this. Do that again, just kind of come up and then down. And we'll kind of come back here and then we'll bring it down a little bit farther. Some broken lines. Then we'll kind of do that again here and then one right off the page. Next, I'm going to bring this line out and then down. I'm going to curve this in here. And then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come back and then down for the nose. We'll put kind of like a little broken line around it. I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then up and then down here. Then I'm going to add some teeth in here. So I'm going to add some sharp teeth. I'm just going to put some teeth in different spots, make some of them a little bit bigger, some of them a little smaller. And then starting back here, I'm going to draw another little line. We're going to kind of jump over these teeth. We're going to curve it down. I'm going to bring this down and in. Then I'm going to add some more sharp teeth in here. I'm going to bring this line up here. I'm going to make some lines that kind of come out and then up a little bit. I'm going to bring some lines that are going to come down to here. I'm going to bring a couple more. Then I'm going to bring this line all the way back here. And I'm going to curve some lines right back here too. I'm going to make a few more broken lines. They're just going to kind of come down, kind of follow the curve. We're going to make some broken lines right across the top and bottom of the mouth. And we're going to add some more little kind of curved shapes right around here. I'm going to add a few more lines that kind of come up here. And then I'm going to make some of these lines come down. We're going to make them in, kind of come in, and then down here too. Just to kind of tie in there. We'll add some extra little broken lines right around here. And we're just going to add some more curved lines here. Then up here I'm going to start with one of the dorsal fins, so I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and then down and then up and down. Kind of curve some lines here and bring some extra lines up. I'll put one more small one right here. And then we'll just kind of add some extra little lines in here all around there. And then finally, what we're going to do is we will finish off with Shin Godzilla up at the top. So we'll start with him up here. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. I'm going to draw another circle back here, and then I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. I'm going to add a couple little kind of curved lines right around the eye. And then I'm going to make a curved line that's just going to kind of come around here. It just kind of goes down and then up. And then I'm going to bring this curved line around here. I want to bring this line up and then down. Bring this out and then come down. Bring this out and then down. And then I'm going to curve this around and then down here. Then I'm going to bring these lines out and then down. Next, starting here, I'm going to add a couple more little curves. Make a line that's going to come out and then down. And then another one's going to come down here for the nose. I'm going to bring this line around here for the nose. I'm going to curve this around and add some little lines around here. I'm going to bring this line down here with a curve. And then I'm going to make it kind of wavy and bumpy all the way down here. Then I'm going to do the same thing up to here. Curve this in and then bring this down. I'm going to bring this line down here and I'm going to add just a bunch of little squiggle lines in it. And then I'm going to fill his mouth up with different size, sharp, kind of jagged teeth, kind of going all different directions. They're going to be in front of each other. Some will be behind. Some are going to be big. Some are going to be small. The biggest thing is they're all going to be very skinny and very, very pointy. So we're going to kind of add these all over. I'm going to put a few more kind of behind here as well. Next, I'm going to kind of add some curved lines around here. And then I'm going to start adding some curved lines right around here too. I'm going to make a few lines here. He's very bumpy. He's got a lot of texture onto him. I'm going to bring some of these curved lines up here as well. And a few back here. And then I'm just going to kind of start adding some little extra lines right around here, about 2 or 3 on each one of these curves, just to kind of add a little bit of texture and detail. It's not a lot of stuff, but just kind of adds a little bit, kind of fills up the picture. I'm just going to add some more of these little lines kind of all around here. And then I'm going to add some more curved lines right around his eye too. Then starting here, I'm going to make his dorsal plates, and you can see I'm going to make these very pointed as they come out. These have a lot more spikes than the other ones do. And we're just going to make these very pointed as they come out. Then I'm going to make some little lines that kind of come up and out just to show a little bit of texture on there. And there you go. There's your drawing of the 3 Godzilla faces. We can kind of see a little bit of the timeline where we start off with the 1954 Godzilla, go up to Legendary Godzilla, and then finish off with Shin Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.